And I'll bet you, when I put those two in, I should have angled that knowing, but see, I didn't really know, did I? That's okay. I can still get that in there at an angle, I believe, with this particular type of stucco. And I'm going to get you situated. I'm going to get you situated right here so that I can get up there and see what I can do about getting that. Okay, I think that's why I brought my little stool out here. Wasn't sure if I was going to need that or not. If I can get up there, I can bear down. I can bear down on it and stuff. Okay, I'm just going to use my same screw, and I've got to put it in at an angle. You see, if I put it in at an angle, I believe I can hit that side of the 2x4. And that tells me the 2x4 or the 2x6, whatever they built the walls out of. This last 2x4 is going 1.5 inches wide. They built this wall last, they flipped it up, they tilted it up, and so this 2x4 is going that way. The next one's going that way. This one's going that way. There's only 1.5 inches of grabbing power. And you see these holes are 1 3/4 inches from center to center. This one here is barely hitting, and I've got it in at an angle, which tells me this one is barely missing, because remember, this screw here, I had it at an angle and I was hitting the 2x4. And I know if I could just put this in at a slight angle like this, it's going to be kind of tricky because I don't want it to slide in that same hole, but I think I can get it just like this. Just like that. And if the head of it is slightly off, okay, the head of it's slightly off, but it'll be fine. Okay. I'd rather do that than put plastic anchors in here. If I put plastic anchors, that's not going to do anything. When it gets windy, this side's going to want to lift off. But in actuality, if I just have those two screws tight in the flagpole holder, it's going to hold. But I'm going to do it better. I'm going to get this in at an angle, and I believe I can get it. Let's see. I've got to use I just use that as my drill. Remember? Now I can pull that tip out, get my other tip in, get the longer screws. Longer screws. These are 3.5, and I believe I'll be able to hit it just like that. There it goes. I can tell it's hitting, and I'm pretty sure that one's going to be fine, even though I've got a 1/4 inch, 5/16 thickness of that, so I know 5/16 of it is going to be coming out. But I think, you know, it still has to go in a little bit further to hit. What I'm doing is I'm not hitting the front edge of the 2x4 or 2x6 in the wall. I'm hitting kind of the edge just beyond the face, and I'm going to tag it into the side, the right hand side of the 2x4. That's why you got to use the long screws too. See? There you go. Okay? So I know those are going to hit. Look at that. All right. Now I'm almost ready. Should I put some caulking in those holes? I don't know. I could, and then I've got my screws. See? Those will be fine. Those are dry now. See there? But I know when I put my drill in there, that it's probably going to mess it up a little bit, and so then I'll touch it up when I get done. Okay, and then I've got to check my drill bit or my drill end. See, this smaller one is going to be the one, because this Phillips section is just a hair smaller. This one's just a hair smaller than these other screws. Do you see? See how much bigger that slot is than that one? And so what happens is, if you put the small one in here and you're trying to tighten it up, there's a little bit of a slop in there, see? And there's no way you're going to get this tight without going up to the thicker Phillips head that I've got in the drill now. See, I've already put it in there. Do you see how that one's bigger than that one? Can you tell how it's fatter? And it fits on this one nice and snug. Well, the other one won't fit that nice. So then you can strip it out. Well, that's why you got to get different ones. I think this is a number 2. That's what the standard is for most screw heads. But it's always nice to get some extra sizes and stuff. And that's why I just got this little case. I've had this for quite a while. It's got all kinds of different standard ones. It's got the Phillips. It's got stars. It's got the square ones. Here's some longer Phillips right there. It's got the octagon ones. Okay, it's even got the splined one. See, 3 different sizes of that, 3 different sizes of the square ones. Actually, 4 sizes of the square ones. I still have that square one out somewhere, and I'll have to find it before I get done with this. But there, see, I use those silver screws. I got 4 of those. I didn't have to, yeah, you can buy these at the store. I think you could buy them 2 at a time, and they look just like this. And those are probably $2.50 for this, $2.50 for that, $5, as opposed to I've got those all in a pound of screws. This is probably 25 cents. Okay, another way for you to save your hard-earned money, man. That's the name of the game. Okay, so now I'm pretty much ready to get this bad boy up on the wall. Let's do it.